Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be talking about the off-white collaboration done with Nike on the blazer lows, and this is in the University Red colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be discussing today the off-white collaboration done on the Nike Blazer lows. This is in the University Red colorway. We have also seen this in another electric green colorway, which is a little bit different or completely different because it's black and green, while this one has a white base with some yellow and red and blue accents on it. So talk about the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this, and then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So this one, in comparison to the other version, has a white leather base versus a black. We do have some nice clean white laces that work its way up to the tongue region and an off-white colored nylon tongue with some exposed foam coming out at the top there. The off-white and Nike are branded in a black tone with a nice pop of that neon orange there. And then the laces are in a nice kind of spaghetti lace, which is in yellow, and we do have shoelaces and quotations on those laces, as well as some simplistic white laces that have shoelaces and quotes as well. And one of the signatures on the sneaker as well is the lace zip tie system here. This time it is in white, and again, it does have that velvety texture to it. One of the cool parts again about this blazer that makes it unique are these holes that are actually punctured kind of throughout the sneaker, which gives you the opportunity to really work out your sock game. So let's take a look at those details and then we'll move on to the side panels. All right, so moving on to the side panels, we do have a nice pop of red on the side here for the swoosh, and then more of those just punch holes that we've got on the side where you can actually see the foam through on the sides of the tongue. As we work our way to the back, we do have the off-white writing here in black. On top of that, just underlay of white leather. As we work our way to the back of the heel, Nike is on that, ingrained on that red leather, and then on the interior it's all white except for the off-white logos, which are both in black. As we wrap around, we do have again that red swoosh mark on top of the white leather, more of those holes, and then on the bottom portion of the sneaker, which is really unique, is they decided to actually age it. It looks like it actually has been worn for some time, and it looks like it actually is an older, more vintage style sneaker, which I really think adds just a little bit of uniqueness to the sneaker. As we work our way to the bottom, we do have yellows and blues and blacks, and then the outsole is just in a nice kind of spackled off-white color. All right, let's look at those last and final details. Jumping into size and fit, I would highly recommend you sticking true to size on this one. I am a 7.5 in men's. I do have high arch and narrow feet, so if you do have flatter, wider feet, this could differentiate a size that may work best for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. So I really wanted to start off with a very crisp all white look. So I decided to go head to toe in white with a white button down, a white tank top tucked into some white pants. Definitely worked quite nicely with these and made the shoes kind of the stand out in the look.
All I see is red. Oh yeah. Everything red. Yeah. Everything red. All I see is red. Oh yeah. Red letters, red mission, red blood, red ribbon. Red letters, red mission, red blood, red ribbon. Look around and all I see is Rojo. War against the culture, come and step into my dojo. Running with my dogs like I'm Toto. Boy, we against the grain and we be loco.
For the second look, I switched up a little bit and wanted to pull off the red tone. So I decided to wear a red blazer with a white tank underneath that with some just light denim pants.
Look around and all I see is Rojo. War against the culture, come and step into my dojo. Running with my dogs like I'm Toto. Boy, we against the grain and we be loco. You can say what you want, but I won't co-sign. Stand up for the truth and I know that it's my time. It's a dark world, but I bet that I'm gonna shine. I don't care if they think I'm out of line. When I look around, all I see is red. When I look around, all I see is red. All I see is red. Oh yeah. Everything red.
For the last and final look, I decided to wear some kind of aged light yellow denim to kind of pull off of the base of the shoe here for the midsole. And then I top that off with just a cream button down jacket.
I don't care if they think I'm out of line. When I look around, all I see is red. When I look around, all I see is red. All I see is red. Oh yeah. Everything red. Everything red. Yeah. Everything red. All I see is red. Oh yeah. Red letters, red mission, red blood, red ribbon. Red letters, red mission.
So you let me know down below what was your favorite look out of 3 or how would you style these?
Once you come through, I'll be touching the love and hugging all of you, girl. Baby, what it do?
This ain't your first time, but I'ma make you feel like it. Hand around your neck already, baby, I'ma still bite it. Tell you to throw it back, knowing you gon' still fight it. Go a little harder, knowing you gon' still like it. Why is you running? Come take this from me. Girl got me started, push button, no key. Can tell when you from the way that you breathe, then you curling your toes and you locking your knees. Keep popping it, please, the way that I like it. Know what to do next, damn it, I'm psychic. Toss it back at me like quarterbacks high kick. And throw your toy away, won't need you, no sidekick. I'm in that, we going the distance. I'm sweating, you sweating, I'm shining, you glistening. When's the last time you took care of you? So I brought her along to help take care of you too. I take care of the mood, I got candles and music. Hitting your spots you can't handle, you lose it. Switching positions, I'm letting you choose it. Talk a good game, now I'm letting you prove it. Hit it hard like kicks and kung fu. From the bathroom, sink the kitchen, 1-2. Again and again, that's if you want to. Until you pass out, wake up, baby, and come to, come through.
Trying to set the mood right now. Once you come through, I'll be touching the love and hugging all of you, girl. I said, baby, what it do, yeah. Trying to set the mood right now.
right, so now let's conclude with how these sneakers are currently doing on the resale market. So again, these retailed at $140 and they are going between $195 to $250. I think this is definitely more of a favorite color between the two that dropped, the black and green colorway versus the white. I think that this may be just a more down everyone's taste just because it's easier maybe to work into your wardrobe, but I do like both in different ways. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thank you so much. If you're new here today, hit that subscribe. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all in the next episode.
You want me, you need me. Once you come through, you know what to do, baby, don't tease me.